Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on fixed dialing numbers or FDN on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now with fixed dialing numbers, you can manage which numbers your phone can make outgoing calls to using this feature right here. Now to do so or to turn it on, first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the option key at the top and then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on supplementary services. And then we're going to go down and tap on fixed dialing numbers. So we just wait for this to become active. Okay, and then in here, tap on enable FDN. Now you need to put in your PIN. Now the default PIN for my network is 40. And then after that, I'm going to tap on OK. And now that it is turned on, if you want to turn it off, you can always go back in here and switch it off by putting in the same PIN number. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or how you can turn it off. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.